Welcome to the quick tutorial of pviapins.com. pviapins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go pviapins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account. If not, just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. Have you ever faced this problem that want to open an email account with a virtual Afghanistan phone number but can't? No worries, pviapins gives you the online Afghanistani phone number. First we have to open email from our computer or mobile phone. Now we need to select targeted country. We select Afghanistan. A phone number is required to create a email account. Now return to pviapins and search here the country. Select the country. Type email in the search box. Select any available number from the below. A phone number of selected country will be shown here. Copy this number and paste it here and click the agree and continue button. A OTP will send for verify this number. The OTP will be shown here. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. pviapins make your journey very easy and smooth. Stay tuned for more updates.